So this is very well packed. FNRSi. This is a soldering iron, and this is very smart soldering iron where you can control the temperatures. And I ordered multiple tips for soldering tips, and this is the product. You can see fairly that this is a very good quality product, and the soldering iron itself, it's well packed, it's compact, it is very good sort of soldering iron. I do have another type of soldering iron. This also looks very good. The build quality is good, and yes, this quite fine. This is the C port where you can plug in your charger, and please keep in mind to have a good quality charger to get most out of it, for and the desired high temperature for soldering. If you will not use good quality charger, it will not heat to the optimum temperature. So guys, this is a good product. After a break, I'll be testing it, just plugging in the charger, and we'll test how it heats. So let's have a pause. Thank you.